Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. This video I'll show how to draw your design. So now I'm just a Canva website and design a logo and click left side drawing, and you can easily draw your icon or just typing here and click red, okay, pencil, or this is the color mode, okay, just change your photo or change color, okay, and this is the rubber eraser, okay, just click and remove. So you can change setting and wide angle, 100% zoom, or I'm using just 40%, 41 and 40. Okay, now using pencil or color, okay, I'm just using color, and this is the color, and I'm just drag here and just remove this color, and I'm just remove yellow icon on Google image. So keep watching this video. So I hope you'll subscribe my channel and set all notification for more video. So guys, now I'm clicking and color change, and I will color plus and color pink, and just okay, and click, this is the pink color, okay. I'm just editing carefully so you can zoom, click control and zoom, okay. So guys, now design is ready, so you can easily export this image. So keep watching video and goodbye.